guys, today I'm gonna make a quick simple meal. I'm using Mrs. Dash tomato basil blend, salt free. As you see, I got a little bit of pepper, tri-pepper blend in here and mushrooms. So I'm gonna throw a little bit of this, we gotta shake it up a little bit. A little bit of this Mrs. Dash tomato blend, tomato basil, not a lot. I'm actually gonna use more of the coarse ground black pepper, McCormick. And I'm gonna let that simmer for a little bit. Air fryer chicken with basil and oregano leaves. Love me some mushroom. Warm up the rest of the basmati rice I have so I can throw that on top of my meal prep. But I have put the cooked mushrooms and peppers in this container. We got our chicken done, and voila guys, you got basil and oregano chicken here. Right, so 2 ingredients. If you want a little more spice like I do, and like pepper, really 3. But I'm gonna put that in my container. And dinner is served, guys. I want to try a little bit of a bite of this with you guys so I can tell you how it tastes. So good. The air fryer makes it so crispy. It gives it more of an Italian taste. So, if you like that Italian taste, that basil and that oregano, that's what it brings to the chicken. But it is delicious on top of this mushrooms and peppers. And my rice is done. So I'm gonna throw a little bit of this rice over it. And boom guys, there you go. There's a quick dinner. I made this in about 30 minutes max. The peppers and the mushrooms, that's kind of counterintuitive. It just depends how you like it cooked. If you like it more al dente and you like it not as sauteed, you know, you're gonna cook it less. I like mine a little bit more sauteed, especially the mushrooms are from softer. So I think I let that sit about 20 minutes. I put it on a little bit high for the first like 5 to 7 minutes just to get it going and bubbling, and then I let it, brought it down, let it simmer on low for that remainder of that 10 to 12 minutes. Bye guys, subscribe to our channel. That is Abs Fitness Film House.